Hello everybody, my name is Meta_Meister, and welcome to Deadbolt. Now I only played a very short amount of this game just to kind of figure out the controls. So I've only done the first level, and actually the first 2 levels. Another night. Alright, so yes, we have to go through the tutorial again because I wanted to start over. Oh, I do not like that noise. Hey buddy, what's going on? Oh! No. Later, Gator. I was pretty slick. Oh, so now we can also enter these sewer thingies here and pop out in toilets. Let me just knock on that door, and we're gonna punch this zombie out. Die, zombie. Jeebus! Alright, and then let's actually go into this. I think this vent. Yeah. Vents seem to be the better way to go almost always. And then there we go. There is no jumping, but you can switch. You can have 2 weapons. So it's a pretty cool game. It's not like anything super duper complicated, but it's pretty cool. Oh, you're finally back. And the candle actually kind of makes me laugh. I remember I saw it the first time. I think that's the as the flames roar to life and a voice speaks out, another life well returned. Mission: my candles tell me tales. Undead form and blossom, find their abode and knock, and free them from their jails. The flame never spoke in prose. Mission unlocked. Intel: undead are easiest to kill when alone, obviously. The fire licks and sneers, undead zombies included, must be helped towards the afterlife. I'm such a good person. Anyways, the candle, I believe, is kind of like the whole devil story bit where the guy made the deal with the devil and said that he'll give him his soul when the candle burns out. I think that's that reference to that, maybe? I'm really not 100% sure. I'm not super great on Reaper and Devil lore here. Hello? Hello there. How are you, sir? Just gonna punch you down really quickly. Okay. Hello! How are you? Not well, I suppose. Where does this go? Ooh, okay. Hello? Hello? How are you doing? I'm doing well. Creating all sorts of panic. I actually did not do it this way before. I did this the first time. Oh! Whoops. Just gotta speed run it this time. Uh-oh. I'm not doing this very effectively here. Hey, buddy. How you doing, friend? What is this? A cassette tape? Zombies listen to cassette tapes? What is this avalanche for me? Woohoo! Check. Clocked in. First. Clear the first mission. Okay. Headshot kills, 40%. Almost got 5 stars. Not quite, though. Hello, Mr. Candle. Zombie 1! I wake up. Coldwater docks again. Splinters in my hand. Where am I? Ronald's here. He helps. He says we leave. He says we don't have to come back to the docks again. He gives me a hit. Good hit. I feel it in my tongue and my throat and my hands and my feet and my ears. And I wake up. How much time? Thumping in my ear. Music. I look down and there's splinters in my hand. Ronald's gone. I die again. Oh, this is dark. I overdose again. What? I wake up. Hands wet, feet wet, Docs again. I'm in a living room. I need more ash. Ronald? I hear the music again. I hear yelling. The room fills up with cold water. I splinter and we all overdose again. I wake up, knocking at the door. Ronald. Wow, okay. Game. I mean, I guess I am the Reaper, but still. The flames roar to life. The undead began to crop range powders from below. Incite the flame, eject their brains, and see what it contains. There's a bouncer on the far side of the house. I can kill him to get his weapon. Bouncer. Larger zombies with shotguns. Take a few shots to the head to bring them down. Aye, aye, fire. Aye, aye. What? Thought I unlocked a mission. Did I not unlock it? Did I do something wrong? Powders. A new drug called ash. His candles say that it makes you feel like you're alive again. The flames, my employer, want to know more. Okay, I just forgot to unlock the mission. Now we can go do the mission. Zombie Kings! We can't touch. Roland said no. Roland. Okie dokie. Whoops. It's not really the way to go about doing this, but, well. Ah! There you go. Goodbye, friend. Where does this go? Ooh. Oh, where are you going? Uh-oh. Run! Quickly! Wait, no, we don't want to go that way. We needed that other gun. We need that gun. We need that. Set off timer and. Whew. Mission cleared. Return to your car. Well, that was a little crazy. Now, this is beyond the knowledge that I know, and again, I didn't do the mission the same way that time, so we got a little hoopla, but we did it! Oh, hooray! 3 stars. And I don't know what the souls are used for yet, either. I really don't. The flames roar to life, and I see visions inside. The fireplace begins to speak. Flesh caskets breathe, burn the ash, scatter their teeth. I see 2 entrances to the house. The left entrance has less zombies, but the right entrance has more weapons. My choice. I see visions of Charon, the ferryman. He may be interested in the souls I've collected for our mutual employer. I should see him at the docks before my next mission. Okay. How? Oh, do I got the door here? Go to docks. Okay, here we go. That was pretty easy to figure out. Ferryman. Okay. Buy weapon. Death plus taxes. High rate fire holds 14 bullets. Revenant. Interesting. I'll take the tactical sim. Oh, I don't have enough for that. I'll just take the 9mm pistol. I like the 9mm pistol. Okay, and I do know how to change weapons, because I figured that out. It's just you access the car trunk. So I'll take that as my primary. And that's new.
That took way longer than I thought.
That's because...
Anybody here?
Yes, hang tight. Please.
No, never.
I will be right back in like 3 minutes.
Sound muted.
Come on, buddy. Come get some. Later, Gator. Knock, 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 knock. All right. Well, you are entrenched. Oh, you stopped being entrenched. Goodbye. Hey, buddy. That feels like a really bad idea. Later, friend. All right. Well, this is a good intro. We haven't played for very long, I know, but we're gonna call this one here for now. It will get more played eventually, but for now, I really hope you guys have enjoyed this episode, and I really hope you tune in to enjoy more, and I really, really hope that you have a great day. Thank you for watching, everybody, and I will see you next time.
He's shooting at me. I'm naked with the knickers. Oh, I hit him. Oh, you got me.
I'm with that Rose, yeah.
Alright, go in now. Go in the furnace now. You see him?
Yep.
Oh, they're running away.
Got him with the